Tesla stock went to, well, got some green there. Tesla stock is now up 15%. It's added to the gains that we had at the opening bell. David Stryzewski is with me now. Are you buying Tesla? Somebody is.
Hey, good morning, Stuart. Yeah, you know, our firm, we've got Tesla, of course. Now, it was more of a minor share, fortunately, as things were, you know, really having a hard start to the year. But yeah, real excited here about some of the innovation that could happen. Obviously, Elon Musk came through in the last minute here with that call and saying that they're going to be coming out with their sub $30,000 vehicle here sooner than before. But ultimately, you know, Tesla is has been this innovator for a long time, and they can ultimately, I think, lead into the future, which is what they've ultimately done.
Okay, so you own it, you're keeping it, you're not selling it, and it's going to go up from here. Next case, Meta. They report after the closing bell this afternoon. What are you looking for?
Okay, so, you know, when we take a look at Meta here, you know, they had this year where they were, you know, trimming the fat, if you will, and now they're getting into some innovation. I hope that they, you know, can get a better deal maybe on some of these chips, because they've got massive expenses that are going to be going out here over this next year. But hey, they're doing really well. They're sitting on a ton of cash right now. That's an important factor as we, you know, look at credit getting tight and that being a headwind for a lot of other companies out there. But you know, hey, I think that anyone that's looking at buying tech right now, it's not as high as it was, you know, here, you know, a short moment or two ago. And this is an okay time to allocate back in. But I do believe that there's storms ahead, and it's important to have our anchors fully established here in our portfolios.
Is there one of these big tech companies, like the ones on the screen, Meta, Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, is there one of them that you would not buy, that you would actively sell if you got it?
You know, it's a hard thing to say, hey, those who have momentum, would I sell it? I think that there's a lot of headwind right now with Apple, but they're not out. Everyone's using their stuff. I use it internally at my team, you know, for every one of our team members. I think Amazon's doing great, but, you know, if the economy starts slowing down, we could see some dips there too. But I think that they all look pretty good right now, and they're all in a similar boat.
That's a lot of people say exactly the same thing. Okay, it's come down a bit recently, but we've got big tech. We made a lot of money out of it. We're not selling, we're staying. A lot of people are telling me exactly that. David, thanks for joining us. See you again soon, I hope. David Stryzewski.
Appreciate you.
Remember when Governor